Hey, good morning. It's like 5:30 or something. I'm sitting and enjoying the beauty of the sunrise. And I'm looking at the comments. And I have a lot of comments from this video. And one of them says, "Ask to see the manager. That works." And quite a few people have said that. And that means don't bother with your spirit guides. Ask to see the manager. I thought that was a nice way to put it. It goes directly to the source. You know, you can call it God or whatever. And many people have said that, no, I go straight to the source. I don't bother with those guys. What do you think about that? Is it the same thing? Is it different? Has a different effect? I really don't know what to do about that question or that comment. Because I really don't understand how this is organized, right? Who is doing what, and it's a big mess. So I'm gonna think about that, and I'm gonna continue to watch the sunrise, which I guess is the manager saying hello. Yeah. So please help, not just me, but if you comment or leave me an email. Thanks.